What I'm a big fan of is we're here today, but we could be this tomorrow. And I think by giving somebody excitement and passion generally if you have an idea, you're excited about it. Share that passion with somebody, and if they resonate that passion and they build on it and they go home and they tell their wife or their husband about it, they get excited and they come back to the company and you feel the passion coming back. That's how you recruit them, is you really sell a part of you and a part of what you're going to deliver to them, and that they're going to have an opportunity to put their fingerprints on your business. That's amazing, because it no longer becomes your business, it becomes our business, right? And I think that's what you have to do. The second thing is you got to make it a big part of your job, right? If you happen to be a technical guy or a sales guy, you can spend a ton of time doing everything else but recruiting. But recruiting is a core asset of being able to go through a bunch of people and eventually find the right person that you can join, that can join the company.